How to fix quick access not working on Windows. 1. Turn on both Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders in File Explorer options. 2. Enable recent items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer in Personalization. 3. Clear quick access cache. Data at %app data %Microsoft /Windows /recent /automatic destinations. 4. Restore folder options. 5. Delete cat items at hkey_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /ribbon in registry editor. Restart your PC.